Hello students, I am going to explain the Fajan rule from the Narayana NEET book, class 11th chemistry. Okay, so what is Fajan rule, student? Fajan rule, for the covalent character, for for covalent character in ionic bond, for covalent character in ionic bond. Okay, so what is meaning of this, student? That is no ionic bond is 100% covalent. So what is meaning, that is this rule is saying no ionic bond is 100% covalent. Okay, no ionic bond is 100% covalent, right? So first point, let us see. For a given cation, covalent character increases with increase in size of an ion, right? For a given cation, covalent character increases with increase in size of anion. Okay, so that is what is meaning of this. Larger size of anion. Larger size of anion. What will happen, student? Larger size of anion, more covalent character. It means that is what will happen, student? More covalent character. More covalent character. Okay, more covalent character, right? Next one, like Kf is less covalent than Ki, right? For a given anion, covalent character increases with decrease in size of cation. So what is meaning of, student? Smaller cation. Okay, smaller cation, that is more covalent character, more covalent character. Okay, that you keep in mind, student. So that is, they have given the example, they have given, that is LiF is more covalent than Kf. Why? Because Li is smaller. Covalent character increases with increase in charge either on cation or anion. So whatever cation and anion are there, and there, that is, if the charges are increases, means covalent character will increase. That is irrespective of the type of charge. So SnCl4 is more covalent than SnCl2 because here is plus 4 is there and here is plus 2. Next, what they are saying, covalent character is higher for the compound with cation with pseudo noble gas electronic configuration, like that if they are having 18 electron in their valence shell, compared to cation with the noble gas electronic configuration NH2 NP6. That is easy only. In a binary compound AB, if the electronegativity difference between the element A and B is equal 1.7, the compound is 50% ionic. Greater than 1.7, compound AB is ionic. Compound less than 1.7, an AB covalent compound. Exceptionally, HF is covalent compound even though electronegativity difference is 1.7. Ionic compound in the crystalline state consist of or dearly three-dimensional arrangement of the cation and anion held together by Coulombic interaction energies. These compounds crystallize in different crystal structure determined by the size of ion, their packing arrangement and other factors. The crystal structure of sodium chloride NaCl rock salt, for example, shown below. Okay, so let us try to understand some of the question. Arrange the following in increasing order of ionic character. So ionic character they are asking in this compound. Ionic characters means, that is, ionic character means less polarizing power, less polarizing power, less polarizing power. So less polarizing power means what is? Less polarizing power means what? That is large cation, okay, and small ion, small anion. Okay, so this will be the ionic, this will be the ionic, and that is reverse of this, that will be the covalent. Okay, so we are having LiF, N2 and ClF3 and K2O. So N2 is the purely, what is purely, N2 is a non-metal. Okay, LiF, so Li and F both are small, so it is also not possible. ClF3, it is also, if you talk about ClF3, student, so what you will be finding, so Cl is large size, so cation is large size, but anion is a small size. Okay, so arrange the following. If you are want to arrange this, easy transfer of electron, higher ionic character. So from where the transfer of electron is easy, here is also not easy transfer, so this will be our answers. So easy. So one more question, this C student. So we are having no, yeah, which is the correct order? So K2O is more, then then CLF is there, and Li, what is there student? LIF is there, LIF. So this is the N2. So that is, this is the ionic, then this ionic, and this then ionic, this ionic. Next one is there, that is MgF2, MgCl2, MgBr2, MgI2. So size of you see student, size of order of ionic character. So what is the happening student? If you see, that is when you are moving down the group, size of the halogen increases, but here for ionic it should be small size. So larger size means what is the ionic character? What is happening student? Decreasing. So most ionic is this, then this, and then finally this. Next student, order of ionic character is like that. LIF more, both are small. BF3, then BEF2. This is easy. Now Fajan rule, they are saying no ionic bond is 100% ionic bond. NaCl has some percent of covalent character. Ionic compound, it has complete transfer of electron. Okay. Now NaCl is there, and that is what is happening. Na is giving electron and Cl is taking electron and then forming the ionic bond. So covalent character, what is meaning of this covalent character? No complete transfer of electron, sharing, that is sharing of electron taking place. Means complete transfer of electron is not there. It means sharing of electron taking place. That is what is known as covalent character. Right student? Next point, polarization. If you see student, what is meaning of polarization? Cation attract the electron towards the towards it. So what is happen, that is these electron are coming in the center, and if the electron is in the center, that is covalent character is there. So electron are coming in the center, known as polarization. More polarization is more covalent character. Next point, polarization, when the cation attract the electron of the anion by its effective nuclear charge, is known as covalent character. So no bond is 100% ionic in nature, there is some covalent character. So if you see, that is positive charge is attracting the electron, so polarization is happening. So electron is coming in the center here, you will find that is electron is coming in the center, that is what is polarization. So more polarization, more covalent character. That is, if the electron cloud coming in center, that is more covalent character. That is polarization power proportional to covalent character. More polarization power, more covalent character. So that is, if you talk about the polarizability, how easily a ion gets polarized, that is what is polarizability. The tendency of an ion to get polarized by cation is called its polarizability. So factor affecting polarizing power, factor affecting polarizing power, what are the factor are there which affect the polarizing power? So first point, if you go, size of cation. First point is size of cation. Smaller the size of cation, more strongly it is attracts the outermost electron cloud of the anion. So what is there? Smaller the size of cation, more strongly it attract the outermost electron cloud of anion. Polarizing power means what? Lithium is large than sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. This is the polarizing power. So small size attract the electron cloud of anion, more polarizing power. Second, less attraction due to the larger size. So polarizing power is proportional to 1 upon size of cation, inverse of cation. Polarization inversely proportional 1 by size of cation. Which have the highest polarizing power? Highest polarizing power means that is having smallest size, that is smallest size of cation, that is largest, that is polarizing power. So this was the our answer. Now let us move the another point, so what is there another slide, student? Size of anion. That is what the how the size of anion is affecting the covalent character. Okay, so if you are going size of anion, student, which is going to polarized, so easy to polarize as a nuclear charge is less. Easy to polarize as nuclear charge is less, and difficult to polarize as size is small. So what they are saying is, student, that is if the cation, if you are talking, that is large size is there, they cannot polarize. Small size can polarize. So polarizability is proportional to size of the anion. Okay. So firstly they are talking about that is, so that is I minus easily polarized, Br minus then polarized, chlorine, fluorine they are polarizing. Charge on cation. If you are going charge on cation, so how can we able to understand charge on cation? Greater the charge on cation, more strongly it attracts the electron cloud of an ion towards itself. So there Cal3 plus is there, Mg2 plus, Na plus is there, increasing order of polarizing power. So if you talk about, so that is, here is order of polarizing power, this is there, student. More positive charge, negative, this is the order of polarizing power. Next one, pseudo inert gas configuration. Species is having 18 valence electron, that is pseudo inert gas configuration, not related that much. That is the, if you go highest covalent character, highest covalent character means a small cation and large anion. So if you see, this is the cation is the common, anion is large, so this is the one answer. Larger anion gets easily polarized. Next, write the increasing order of covalent character. So these are there. So CaI2 is more covalent character because I is the largest sized. Next one, CuCl is more covalent than NaCl. Okay. So copper, if you see, student, copper is pseudo inert gas configuration. So more effective nuclear charge, more polarizing power, so more covalent character, right? Next, LiCl is more soluble in pyridine than H2O. So LiCl is more covalent character due to a small size of the Li. So soluble in organic solvent, covalent solvent. Next, if you see, student, this one, among the LiCl, BeCl2, BCl3 and CCl4, the covalent character is increasing order. So C, student, left to right size decreases, greater the charge on cation, greater is the polarizing power, greater is the covalent character. So CCl4 more covalent than BCl3, BeCl2, LiCl. Both rule gets follows. Okay. So this is all about the Fajan rule, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.